Hello everyone, I would like to show you a program for recording a video called Cam30. So let me introduce you first about this and this. This is the button for starting a video record, pause button and stop button, and this button for choose extension on your video AVI and SWS extension. Or you can go to File, Record, Pause, Stop, Region, region, Flip region, Window and Full Screen. Choose Flip region and try at 100 for width and 400 for high. Click OK. And option menu with option, I choose Make Associate O1. Capture frame away and uncheck auto adjust to 20 and this 50 and OK. Option menu side, choose enable auto span minute. The background on the record move like the mouse move like this and program option, name of I found and ask for file name, mean that ask for file name after the recording finished. If you don't check this, it will save automatically by touching your desk. So now that's all for my video, and thanks for your watching.